Hello everybody, how are you doing? Today, let me pull up my screen. Oh no. I thought I was ready, but I wasn't. Today I am showing you a kit from the Ephemera Gardens, and it is called Sunflower Dayz. It is a tall and skinny journal, and I will leave Tessa's links in the description box below. She does not have an Etsy, but she does have a website, and she also has a Facebook page. So I will leave both of those links down below. This is her Sunflower Dayz kit, and look, it has to be, this is going to be a fun kit, and I need to think about what I'm going to do with it. It is a tall and skinny. I printed on both sides, and that one got upside down, it looks like. These are very pretty pages. Just look at those. That one's upside down as well. I don't know how that happened when they got put in straight. These are, I want to say PNG files, but I'm going to use them. There's this. And then the truck. Look at how gorgeous that is. And then we get into the ephemera pieces. We got two receipts, it looks like, and I'll just cut that so you can see it better. Looks like they're from 1902. So those are going to be nice in a pocket. Got a couple pockets here, very pretty. A couple more here. We got some ephemera pieces. Some tags. And I printed these onto cardstock, 65 pound. And some journaling cards and a couple of tabs. So I have to figure out what I want to do for the cover. I have this fabric. I don't know if I want to use that. I just picked that up. It's the only fall fabric I have. I need to look to see if I have sunflower fabric. I don't think that I do. But, as soon as I figure out the cover, I can get working on this. That one needs to be cut down. So this is a beautiful kit. Run over and purchase it. Lovely pages, lovely background pages. This is so pretty. This could go in a frame. That is so pretty. I think I'll make this my center. So let me know what you think of this fabric. In the meantime, I'm going to look for some sunflower fabric. So there you go. I hope you love this kit as much as I do. I got all the pages folded except for this one. And I think I'm going to add these into it as well. There are 16 pages, 16 the journal and the main pages. And then there are, oh, how many? There's 21 pages total. And I know there's 16 pages because I printed 8 front and back. These are so vintage, so pretty, and they're yellow, so they go with that. All right, well, I'm gonna get out of here. I just wanted to show you the kit, and I will be back. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and leave me a comment on what you think about this kit. Bye, y'all.